Have you ever wondered what it truly means to recover from addiction? Recovery is more than just abstaining from substance use. It's about rebuilding a life that is rich and fulfilling. This is a crucial perspective, especially considering that addiction affects more than 20 million people aged 12 or older in the United States alone, as reported by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. Addiction is complex. It's not a mere lack of willpower or moral failing, but a disease that alters the brain and influences behavior. It's a struggle that intertwines with the very core of one's life, affecting relationships, employment, and overall well-being. But here's the good news. Recovery is possible. It requires effort and commitment, yes, but it also brings a sense of achievement and self-worth that is hard to match. Remember, recovery is a journey that involves improving health, living a self-directed life, and striving to achieve full potential. A rehabilitation plays a pivotal role in the recovery journey, but what exactly does it entail? Well, it's a multi-step process that begins with detoxification. This is where the body is cleansed of the substance of abuse, setting a clean slate for the next stage: therapy. Therapy comes in various forms, from one-on-one counseling to group sessions, and tackles the root causes of addiction, helping individuals build resilience against relapse. Beyond therapy, aftercare ensures continued support, fostering long-term recovery. According to the National Survey on Drug Use and Health, around 2.5 million people receive treatment for addiction annually. That's a lot of people on their own personal road to rehabilitation, each journey as unique as the individual undertaking it. Successful rehabilitation isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It involves personalized treatment plans, often incorporating both medical and psychological therapies. Rehabilitation, therefore, is not a one-size-fits-all process, but a tailored journey that addresses each individual's unique needs. Did you know that natural remedies and holistic approaches can complement traditional rehabilitation methods? These practices, such as mindfulness, exercise, and nutrition, have been gaining recognition for their role in supporting recovery. Mindfulness, for instance, can help individuals better understand their cravings and develop coping mechanisms. Exercise, on the other hand, not only improves physical health but also boosts mood and reduces stress. Nutrition, too, plays a crucial part in recovery, as eating a balanced diet can help repair the physical damage caused by substance abuse. However, it's crucial to remember that these methods are not replacements for traditional treatments. They are complementary tools designed to be used in conjunction with medical therapy and counseling. As the recovery community continues to recognize the value of these natural remedies, more and more individuals are finding that a holistic approach to recovery offers them additional tools to navigate the journey of rehabilitation, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. Embracing a holistic approach to recovery can provide additional tools to navigate the journey of rehabilitation and ultimately lead to a more fulfilling life.